How to change lock screen clock style on Samsung One UI 7 device. Samsung introduced the amazing new clock style on the latest Samsung One UI 7.0 device. If your Samsung device running the One UI 7, you can apply this setting to change the lock screen clock style. You can check your device setting by go to settings, scroll down up to and tap on the about phone. Here you can see my device name S25 Ultra. Tap on the software information. Here you can check One UI version 7.0, Android version 15. Make sure your device running the One UI 7. So you can apply this setting on your device. To change the lock screen clock style, here you can see by default you can see the lock screen clock style. To change it, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Tap on a lock screen wallpaper. Now tap the lock screen clock style on your One UI 7 device. Tap the clock style on the lock screen. Now you can see the different style. Tap on a style option. Here you can see the list of available different style. Select the lock screen clock style you want to set on your device like this. You can also adjust, increase or decrease like it. To select the clock style from the available list on your latest One UI 7. Here you can see two different clock style available. This is the new clock style on your device. To select the clock style, you can also enable disable show weather information like this. Also show date above the clock. So toggle on or toggle off the option you want to show. Also change the clock font color on a device. To set it, tap on style and set the default style. And you can change the clock font like this from the available option. So you can easily customize lock screen clock style on the latest One UI 7 devices. You can also change the clock color. Select the clock color you want on your device and tap on a done when you set the lock screen clock style and a font color. Tap on a done and it will apply to your lock screen. Now changes apply to lock screen, lock your phone and you can see change the lock screen clock style on the latest One UI 7 devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.